My name's John Steinberg. I'm an archaeologist at the Fiske Center at UMass Boston. I'm here in Mattapan with 4 graduate students in the program for historical archaeology, and we're doing a geophysical survey of the Fowler-Clark farmstead on behalf of Historic Boston Incorporated, who's going to try and turn this place into a community garden. So today we're doing ground penetrating radar. We're going to send 500 megahertz into the ground. Some of it's going to move through, and when it hits a difference, some of that energy is going to be reflected back. And so we can actually see into the surface. The last owner of this farm was first a jeweler, and then he began to, as urban renewal was happening around Boston, would go into old buildings that were being torn down and would salvage their artwork and sell it at his store up on Blue Hills Avenue. And what he really liked, he left here on the property, building it into walls and doorways and bridges. And so you'll see some amazing art. It doesn't belong here, but some of it's quite old and some of it's quite interesting. And this summer, for 7 weeks, starting right after July 4th, these graduate students and a few more will go off to Iceland to find Viking Age farmsteads. So from farmsteads in Mattapan to farmsteads in northern Iceland, about 60 miles south of the Arctic Circle, we do exactly the same thing. And our National Science Foundation funded work in Iceland is in fact making this work in Mattapan possible.